Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Fitbit Versa 4. First, ensure your new device is fully charged using its magnetic charger. Next, download the Fitbit application to your smartphone and create a new account or login. Then, pair your Versa 4 with your phone via Bluetooth to begin syncing your data. Finally, complete your personal profile by entering details like your height, weight, and age for accurate tracking. Navigating your Versa 4 is straightforward. Swipe left or right on the touchscreen to explore various applications and view your daily statistics. A downward swipe from the top of the screen reveals quick settings and any new notifications. To return to your main clock face at any time, simply press the physical button located on the left side. Holding this button provides quick access to a customizable shortcut, like a workout mode. Your Versa 4 is an excellent health companion. It continuously monitors your heart rate, providing insights into your cardiovascular health 24 hours a day. The device automatically tracks your daily steps, distance covered, and calories burned. It also records your sleep stages, offering a personalized sleep score each morning. You can select from over 40 exercise modes to accurately track specific workouts, from running to yoga. Personalize your Versa 4 to match your style and needs. You can choose from hundreds of unique clock faces available within the Fitbit application. Easily customize your app shortcuts and adjust notification preferences directly on the device. For maintenance, clean your Versa 4 regularly with a soft, damp, lint-free cloth. Always ensure the device is completely dry before placing it on the charger to prevent any potential damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.